everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you a very interesting video about the crochet, and before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And my channel is new, so I really need you guys support. So please don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, and let's start now. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a waist pouch with this nylon yarn. This is nylon yarn of 2 mm size, and you can see it's made of nylon, and I'm using 4.5 mm hook for this bag. Now let's make it 10 chain in the circle way like this. So we are going to make it 10 chains in the circle manner like this. This yarn is a little bit it's not flexible, so it's a little bit hard to crochet, but we can manage it. So we are going to make it 10 chain. Now we have already made 10 chain, and after that let's pull this yarn like this, so that there will not be any hole in the center here. And after that, let's join these two yarn like this. We are going to bring this yarn to the other side like this, and after that single crochet. Now let's mark it with mark pin over here where we start, and after that let's make it double crochet, 10 double crochet like this. Again double crochet, so we are going to make it double crochet till the end of the row, end of this round. Now let's join these two chains. Let's remove the mark pin, and let's join these two chains like this. And now it's totally, you can see circle. We have made the perfect circle, and after that let's make one chain, then single crochet, double crochet, and let's mark it. Let's make it double crochet till the end of the circle. Now it's completed the circle as per my size. So let's measure it now. It's 8.5 inches, and this side also 8.5 inches. So you can increase the size of this circle, or if you want to decrease, you can make it smaller also. And now let's mark it here, and we are going to crochet, we are going to reverse the crochet like this. Now we are going to make it 20 reverse crochet. Now we have already made 20 reverse crochet, and after that let's make one chain, and after that single crochet. We are going to make it 20 reverse single crochet till here. Now we have made another 20 reverse crochet, and after that let's increase one chain. We are going to increase one chain each side so that we can make it V shape, and we are going to crochet till here. Now it's ready, and you can see V shape. It's in the V shape now. We start from here, then we increase one chain each side to make this V shape, and after that let's measure it. It's 5.5 inches, and after that we are going to make it this borderline. Let's crochet till here, and this side also till here. Let's make one chain, and after that single crochet here, You can see this border line. It's very nice now. Let's cross it till here, and this side also we are going to make it. Now let's join these two sides. We are going to make it front loop stitch. You can see this B side, so we are going to make a front loop stitch from the back of this V shape, like this. Front loop stitch like this. This side is done, and after that we will join the other side also, and after that we will join chain, this type of chain, but this is little bit short, so I'll be using a little longer chain, but this type of, you can see. Now let's measure it. It's 11 inches, so I'll be using 11 inches long chain. And after that I will be using this type of thread. This is plastic thin thread and transparent one. So I'm going to join this chain with this plastic thin thread, because it will not be visible when we join this chain to the back. Now we have attached the chain, and after that we can make it sling, and this is the ready-made sling. So this is easily available. This type of sling is easily available in the market. You can use it either this type of sling, or we can make it, but in this video I'll show you how to make it sling also. And for this sling we will make it 110 chains for the sling, like this, in the easiest method, in the easiest way. So let's make it 110 single chain like this. So you can make it either longer or shorter, so it's according to your choice, but for me I'm going to make it 110 chain like this. We have completed 110 chain, and after that we will make it reverse single crochet like this, and this is the second round, so I will make it another two more rounds, two more rows. So total will be 4 rows like this. Now sling is ready, and after that let's join the sling to the pouch. We are going to join it here. We are going to attach here with the help of this hook. So we will be using this hook here, but before that we are going to make it 5 chains each side. So first let's make it 5 chains. I will use the old yarn, it's over here. So this is V shape, so we will be making V shape again. So we will continue this V shape. So let's make it 5 chain. Let's make it 5 single chain. Here, and this time let's make it 4 single crochet. After this let's make it 4 single crochet. And after that and now let's make it 3 single crochet. So we have already made 3 rows, and after that we are going to hide this yarn here. Let's hide this yarn first, and after that we will attach this hook and the sling. Now let's attach the hook over here, And let's attach the sling also like this, and we will make the same one in the another side also, in the other side also, here, over here. Now I have attached this sling here, you can see, and it's look very nice. And the sling is here, it's like this, and this is stretchable, so when you make it, you can make it little shorter if you are using nylon yarn. And the inside part is here, and you can put some light stuff like scarf, like wallet, mobile. And let's close this zip. And you can see it's look very nice, and the back side is like this, and you can see the sling also very nice. And this is how I make this waist pouch, and it's very easy, and it did not take much time also, so you can try at home. And I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And my channel is very new, so I really need you guys support, so please help me and please support me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.